It's summertime and the grills are out. But what are we going to do for barbecue sauce if you're on a low-carb diet? You go to the grocery store to pick up some barbecue sauce, you pick it up, look at the ingredient list, and it's just sugar, 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 sugar. So today, stick with me and we will make a low-carb barbecue sauce that is full of flavor without the sugar. All right, let's get cooking. So I'm Dorothy, and I'm going to walk you through a low-carb, robust barbecue sauce. The ingredient list is long. Don't let that scare you. It's all really easy. So first we are going to smash up some garlic, and I'm going to show you a very easy way to do that. To get the skins off, we want 4 cloves of garlic, and you smash it down and the skins come right off, and we toss that into this pot. And then you do that 4 times with 4 garlic. Next we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of onion powder. You can use regular onions and chop them up if you want, but they don't have to be fresh. It's good this way too. 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, diced tomatoes. You can get them in a lot of different flavors, but this is a great brand of tomatoes. It's my favorite one. Okay, and then we go to 2 tablespoons of mustard. Let's see here. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, and again, you can use whatever mustard is your favorite. It doesn't have to be Dijon, that's just my favorite. Put this over here. Then we are going to use 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now the tomato paste I use, it comes in this tube. You can get it in the can, and it's very inexpensive, but it's also you never use what's in the can. So this way, if you get the tube, it will last you a long time. This is the Amore brand, and I will leave all of the ingredients in the description below. Okay, tomato sauce. We've got 3/8 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. I use the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, which has the mother in it still, and it's organic. Okay, we've got, let's see, 2 teaspoons of salt. That's easy, not much to say about that one. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of Truvia brown sugar. Now this it does have a little bit of sugar in it, but it's mostly erythritol, stevia, and a little bit of molasses. But it packs up just like a regular brown sugar, and it's 75% fewer calories. So you're going to need a little bit of sweetener in your barbecue sauce. This is liquid smoke. Some people have problems with liquid smoke. I lost my teaspoon. We're going to only use 1 teaspoon. Liquid smoke is really pretty necessary if you want that smoky barbecue taste. I don't know exactly how it's made, but I have read, and basically it's just liquid smoke that they've extracted. We've got 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of water, and let's see, we're going to top it off with 2 teaspoons of anchovy paste. Again, this is the paste, so that you can use anchovy fillets if you want, but these pastes in tubes are a pretty nifty thing for cooking. Okay, and at the end we have 1 ounce of bourbon. The bourbon is optional, of course, but it does cook off, so you don't have to worry too much about it. We're going to stir all that up, and hold on, I'm back. I forgot the most important ingredient, and that is the spice. I'm using smoked paprika, which is from our farm, and it's fairly hot. The peppers we grow for some reason are quite hot here. We smoke it on the farm, and so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Now, if you just use a regular paprika or a spice that's not too hot, you probably want to add a little bit of cayenne also. But don't forget the spice. My goodness. Now at this point, you can put it on the stove and reduce it down a bit, or you can pour it directly into the blender and have it reduce when you pour it over your ribs. which is what I'm doing right here. So I'm standing way back, as you notice, because I do like this top and don't want to get splattered all over, which is something that I've done in the past. Put your lid on and blend it up a little bit to get all the chunks of garlic nice and smooth. Earlier version I did of this used fresh onions, and they will also get blended smooth here too. Now let's see what we've got. Pour it into a bowl, check out the consistency, see if it's what you want. If not, you can always put it back in the blender. It's looking good. Look at this perfect consistency and perfect taste too, by the way. If you like this recipe and you want to see more low-carb recipes, go to farmtojar.com. There's a link in the description below. And while you're there, subscribe, leave a comment, and a thumbs up.
Okay, and as always, we need to end with a toast. My daughter is here, so we are going to toast to summertime.
Summertime.
And we're using, by the way, strawberry lavender syrup from Heathglen and a little bubbly water because it's daytime. Nighttime, we might try the champagne. Cheers.
Cheers.
Who needs champagne? That's great, isn't it?
That is good.
Cheers.